I have someone, doing photography, but I think I'm overpaying. So, any ideas?
I pay $150 usually, but I get a video, drone, and pictures. And he edits them for me as well. His name is Tony.
150.
He's in Colorado. I'll tell you what, they sell because a lot of these guys will take pictures like this Google Street View, and then they'll do the satellite view, and then they'll do the GIS map, and then they might steal from other people, steal other photos. But when we do that, people have told us so many times, I'm buying from you because your pictures are as if I was standing on the land. And I'm telling you, we're selling to people in Wisconsin, so they're not driving out here to check it out. So they complement our pictures and our video, and we just mark it up on the price. And sometimes people will say we're asking too much, but I don't care because we're providing the value. We provide the directions on how to get there, so they know what they're actually getting. So anybody else paying for pictures on here?
Will be.
I guess, the reason why I asked about it is, I have like several other lots that I want to get pictures of, but it's, I'm paying $50 per lot, which obviously sounds a lot less, but it's just for pictures. And she'll take like 15 of them.
I like to get video too, and drone if possible, because I want them. And my videos have music on them as well. And he'll put our captions, our website, you name it. So, and I was using a guy for a while. They would do it for like $25, but like he was taking pictures of the wrong land. It was rough.
How much did it cost you to move those horses onto your property that time?
Okay, so you guys might have caught on. We did have a piece of land that had horses on it whenever Alan went and took the photos. That was actually my business partner on that property. Alan Underwood is his name. But he went and took the photos, and I was like, "You're kidding me, dude. Those horses were really on there?" He said, "Yeah, because I've been hearing about these horses, these wild horses in Castilla County. So every time we sell a property that's within like 5 miles of there, we'll take the other one down, put it sold, and move that horse picture to that property." So if I could figure out a way to do that in my Arizona land, we'd probably sell it all out. So that gets a little unethical. But no, those horses were there, man. We didn't have to pay them anything, and no animals were harmed during the making of that production.